Hi guys, really much of you are asking when iPhone 14 will comes out. So let me tell you that Apple confirmed that 7th of September will be the date when they will introduce the iPhone 14. So I'm really happy. I cannot wait. I cannot wait this moment when we will finally know what is true and what is not true about iPhone 14, because there are so much rumors like this in this case about the camera, and this is something that will makes me really happy to know like which are the real rumors and which are everything that we will see in iPhone 14. Also, I want to let you know that the new iPhone 14 will come with iOS 16, the new update, the biggest update of Apple.